Hey, Team Pippinfuse here again. Let's talk about the Forex markets. You know, that thing your cousin Gary won't shut up about at family gatherings. He's suddenly rocking a Rolex and promising you can quit your job too. But you've also heard horror stories about people losing their life savings. So what's the deal? Is Forex trading a scam, or is there more to the story? The internet is full of wild claims about Forex. Some people say it's rigged. Others claim it's just like gambling. And let's be honest, there's a reason for this skepticism. Plenty of shady characters and companies prey on unsuspecting beginners, promising them the moon and delivering, well, financial ruin. But here's the thing. Forex itself, the actual foreign exchange market, isn't inherently a scam. It's the largest and most liquid financial market globally, where currencies are traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Businesses, banks, and governments participate in it every day. So before you write it off as another internet hoax, let's dive a little deeper. Alright, so Forex isn't a pyramid scheme run by some dude in a rented Lamborghini, it's a real market. But that doesn't mean it's easy money. Think of it like the stock market. But instead of buying shares of Apple or Tesla, you're betting on whether the US dollar will rise or fall against the euro. Just like the stock market, there are winners and losers in Forex. The problem is, a lot of people jump into Forex thinking it's a get-rich-quick scheme. They see those flashy ads promising insane profits with minimal effort and think, sign me up. But here's the reality. Forex trading is complex. It requires knowledge, skill, discipline, and a whole lot of patience. And even then, there's no guarantee of success. The Forex market is like a giant casino, but instead of slot machines and blackjack tables, you've got charts, graphs, and economic indicators. Now, I'm not saying you can't win in Forex. People do make money trading currencies. But just like in a casino, the odds are often stacked against the house. In this case, the big banks and financial institutions. And let's not forget about the financial advisors. Those self-proclaimed Forex gurus who promise to turn you into a millionaire with their secret trading system. They'll show you pictures of their lavish lifestyle, claiming it's all thanks to Forex. But what they won't tell you is that they make most of their money selling you their courses and signals, not from actual trading. So, before you hand over your hard-earned cash to some slick-talking expert, do your research. Ask yourself, if their system is so foolproof, why are they selling it instead of just using it to make millions themselves? Let's be real. The main reason people get scammed in Forex is because they want to get rich quick. We've all seen those Instagram influencers posing on yachts, claiming Forex is their secret to a life of luxury. And it's tempting, right? Who wouldn't want to quit their 9-to-5 and travel the world? But here's the catch. Forex trading is not a passive income stream. It's not a lottery ticket. It's a skill-based endeavor that requires time, effort, and a lot of learning. You wouldn't expect to become a surgeon overnight, would you? So why do people think they can become expert traders in a few weeks? The truth is, most people who jump into Forex without proper education and realistic expectations end up losing money. And that's what those shady marketers are banking on, literally. Think you can outsmart the market? Think again. So, you're not buying into the get-rich-quick schemes? You understand Forex is a real market, and you're ready to put in the work. Great. But before you quit your day job and invest your life savings, let's talk about what it takes to succeed in Forex. First, you need to understand that the Forex market is incredibly complex. It's influenced by a myriad of factors, including economic indicators, geopolitical events, and even the weather. And these factors are constantly changing, making it difficult to predict which way the market will move. Second, you need to develop a solid trading strategy and stick to it. This means having a clear understanding of your risk tolerance, your entry and exit points, and your overall trading goals. And it's not just about knowing when to buy and sell. It's also about managing your emotions and avoiding impulsive decisions. Risk management, like wearing a helmet while riding a bull, not very glamorous, but essential. Imagine this, you're riding a bull, not exactly a relaxing day at the beach, right? Now, imagine riding that bull without a helmet. That's essentially what trading Forex without proper risk management is like. Risk management is the most crucial aspect of Forex trading. It's about protecting your capital from significant losses, even when the market moves against you. And trust me, the market will move against you at some point. This means setting stop-loss orders, diversifying your portfolio, and never risking more money than you can afford to lose. It's about being disciplined, patient, and accepting that losses are a part of the game. Forex trading, not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a potential path if you're up for the challenge. So, where does that leave us? Is Forex trading a scam? The answer, like most things in life, is nuanced. Forex itself is not a scam. It's a legitimate market with real opportunities for profit. But it's also a highly competitive and risky endeavor that's not for the faint of heart. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, Forex is not for you. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort to learn, develop a solid trading strategy, and manage your risk effectively, Forex trading could potentially be a viable path for you. So, is Forex trading a scam? The real scam in the world of Forex isn't the market itself, but the culture surrounding it. It's the unrealistic promises, the misleading marketing, and the gurus who prey on people's desire for easy money. Forex trading can be a legitimate way to make money, but it requires dedication, discipline, and a healthy dose of realism. So, if you're considering dipping your toes into the Forex market, remember this: the most important investment you can make is in your education. Learn the ins and outs of the market, develop a solid trading plan, and always manage your risk. And hey, if your cousin Gary starts bragging about his Forex winnings at the next family gathering, just smile politely and hand him a pamphlet on risk management. You know, for his own good. Whether you are a beginner in Forex, a professional trader, investor, or a startup broker, feel free to reach out to us for a friendly chat or free consultation at info@pipinfuse.com or visit pipinfuse.com for more information. We may be able to assist you. All links in the description. Happy trading, everyone.